Hello and welcome to Zimstate Media. Popular radio presenter and brand ambassador KVG celebrated her birthday as colleagues, listeners and friends came together to honor one of Zimbabwe's most recognizable voices. The Star FM presenter has become a household name for her energy, relatability and ability to connect with audiences across the country. Behind the mic at Star FM, where the slogan "sounding good all the time" is a daily backdrop, KVG has built a reputation as more than just a DJ. She's known for creating conversations that matter. Listeners took to social media throughout the day to send birthday wishes, with many praising her consistency, humor, and the way she makes radio feel like talking to a friend. Colleagues at Star FM described her as hardworking, grounded and passionate about growing Zimbabwean talent. As she marks another year, Kudzai Violet Gwara continues to inspire aspiring broadcasters and young women looking to make their mark in the media industry. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.